This is Raider 360-100. This is a video entry to Miss Max 822 contest number 32. Okay, this is the trick is called Lucky 3.1, and we will name this trick Winter Snow Storm. Okay, here goes. On Christmas Eve, Santa was delivering 4 presents to 3 cities in the country on his sleigh controlled by his 2 reindeers. Santa has successfully delivered all the presents, but unfortunately, a snowstorm hit the entire country. The snowstorm hit the first city, the second city, and the third city. So Santa called 3 more reindeers into the country. Stop. They went into each country respectively. Stop. Meanwhile, they were all searching. The 3 of them finally came out with 3 things. The first reindeer came out with a gift, the second reindeer came out with a gift, and the third reindeer came out with another gift. So they all came out and found the gifts. Unfortunately, they had a last gift, but where was it? So Santa called the two other reindeers, which were with him, to find for the last gift. And finally, with their magical power, in an instant, the last gift was found. Okay, Miss Max 822, I hope you like this, and pause card.